Hey, Dad Sews is back. Season 4 has arrived. I've got a live appearance coming up, I've got giveaways, and I've got a challenge for you, and you could win big. Stay tuned.
Dad Sews! Dad Sews! Dad Sews! Dad Sews! Dad Sews! Dad Sews! This is how it goes with Dad Sews!
Greetings, sociopaths. Well, Dad Sews Season 4 is finally here. It was a couple months delayed because the other projects I've been working on. Have you ever wanted to star in your own game show? Well, this game show will come to you. That's right, my game show party puts you behind the buzzer. There's a plug. Left the studio in disarray. It was just packed in here and I couldn't even film anything with the sewing machine. But it has its perks. We've upgraded the studio a little bit. We've got some new lighting. We've got some fancy artwork back here. We've cleaned up this area. But as you can see, the subscriber count keeps on going up. Now, when we hit 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away a Juki sewing machine. So if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, click subscribe now and share on social media and get all your friends to subscribe. Tag me on Facebook or Instagram. Say, I subscribed. I want that Juki, man. And when we hit 10,000, I'm going to be giving a subscriber a Juki sewing machine. We've done it many times before, so believe that it's going to happen. All right, we do have a challenge in this video. I want you to keep watching. It's only a few more minutes long, but I want to talk about the appearance I'm going to be making this coming weekend at the Eastern Shore Comicon. Now, this is the very first year they've had a Comicon on the Eastern Shore of Virginia, and I am going to be a guest judge wearing my Dad Sews hat. So hopefully you guys will follow along on Instagram because I'll be posting lots of pics. We've got books for the winners. Hopefully there's some kids in the contest. We've got this really cool book, Sewing New Things from Old Things, because I love upcycling. That's a really awesome thing that you can do to save on waste. And there's some great projects in here, and I think that would be great for cosplayers because I've helped my kids cosplay with used items. And then I have another book here that we're going to be giving away, Sewing School. Now this is really cool. It's got kids all throughout the book. And on the back it says, I made it myself, because kids are so proud when they make stuff. Heck, I'm proud when I make stuff. And there's just really neat projects, whether it's showing them how to use buttons, make pillows, all kinds of things. And there's even a folder back here that has pattern pieces in it. This is super cool. And we're going to be giving these to some of the winners of the cosplay contest. I'm going to lay that down because it doesn't want to stand up very well. All right, now, I do have a challenge for you. One of the rules I set up when I started Dad Sews is I would only sew on camera and I would show you all of my mistakes. Every single one. Well, there was one item that used to sit right here behind me that really was a note to how I had lied. It was a hint to my duplicitous nature. I actually sewed something for my son in a rush one night and I didn't film it, but he had to have it. It was this Iron Fist mask and I had it sitting up there for a lot of shows, and a couple people would message me like, did you buy that? Because you don't sew off camera. Okay, it was a little white lie, a little fib. So I made this Iron Fist mask, as you can see here on my lady friend, tied in the back. And I didn't show how I made it, but I kind of did, because this is based on our flap hat tutorial, which I'm going to link in the information below. Now, the flap hat has a centerpiece that runs down, and it has the side panels right here. As you can see, there's the side panel, and there's the top piece that runs for our mask. Now, all I did after that was cut some holes, put in some mesh, and sew on these cool felt eyepieces. So what is my challenge to you? Well, I'm linking the flap hat tutorial below. I want to see masks. Any masks, any kind of mask, any color. Maybe you want to do a mask you made up. Maybe it's something that exists like Iron Fist. But what I want to see is for you to take the flap hat pattern. You can even use scrap fabric using what you've already got, like this book talks about. And I want you to convert the flap hat project into a mask. Now, I want you to post it on Instagram if you have it and tag me at Dad Sews, or I want you to put it on Facebook and tag me at Dad Sews. We're going to give anybody that enters, anybody that makes a mask is going to win some free Dad Sews swag. And then there's going to be a grand prize for the one I just think is the coolest, or maybe the one that gets the most votes. If everybody's telling me one's cool, I'm going to have to go with them, right? So that's your challenge. Click the link below to the flap hat tutorial. I want to see a mask that has similarities from the flap hat. The side panels, the top piece, and I want to see a mask come from that. Because this is not a perfect Iron Fist mask, but as you can see, it kind of pulls it off. Lady Iron Fist is what this is. So that's my challenge to you. Tag me on Instagram. You have, let's say 1 month plus a little bit. So we're going to say I'm going to pick the winners. So tag me on Instagram, tag me on Facebook. You can email the pictures to me, info@dadsews.com, or you can message me, Dad Sews on Facebook, facebook.com/dadsews. All right, so if you're in the Virginia area, join me at the Eastern Shore Comicon this weekend. I'm also going to be there with my game show party, one of my other projects. So there's many chances to win cool prizes and participate in a live game show. I'm also going to drop a link there below too, because hey, that's a cool project and I'd love if you supported it or just followed us on Instagram and shared with your friends. All right, I have a brand new video coming out in 2 more days, and it's going to be talking about a sewing gadget that looks like a torture device, but it's not. All right, I'm going to see you very soon. Enter this contest. The grand prize is going to be killer. I'm going to be posting pictures of it. That's a tease. I'll see you very soon.
Dad Sews, this is